second step is you're going to bring in your left foot. So the flick should at least put the ball on a diagonal. So say you've done the flick, the ball's come here, and you're going to tap it with your left foot and then volley it with your right foot. And if you can jump up, then it looks even better. So you're like that, past, and then you jump up and volley it in. When you start to get it a few times, it's not that hard to do. See, like that there. Oh, you also want, say if you were, say here for example, pretend there's a goalkeeper there. You want also, you don't want to just hit the ball in the middle. You want to like hit it to the sides. Tell him to go away.